Hi there, students. A resolution. A resolution. So a resolution can be a decision, an official decision that's made after a group or an organisation have voted. So the group approved a resolution to send money to help the orphans in Syria. The committee approved a resolution against sending more troops to the region. The United Nations passed a resolution to increase aid to the United States of America. They voted to support this idea. Or you could make a resolution, very often a New Year's resolution, a promise to yourself to do or not to do something. So he made a New Year resolution to give up chocolate, for example. The resolution was carried by 220 votes to 80. The resolution calls for a durable agreement between the warring factions. So what New Year's resolutions have you made? I've made a resolution to take exercise 3 times a week. And then resolution, determination, resoluteness. You're determined to do something. So he showed great resolution in his studies and passed his exam with flying colours. Okay, resolution, or a resolution to a problem, the act of solving or ending a problem or a difficulty. So I finally found a workable resolution to my financial problem: spend less money. Okay, so resolution as well. The how well you can see something. What is the resolution of your computer screen? To be able to see things with a lot of detail, high resolution. This is a high resolution microscope. They swapped the low resolution image for a high resolution image. So the resolution, how clearly you can see something, how much detail you can see. Or in chemistry, the act of separating things into clearly different parts. So if you mix oil and water and shake it up, it's all mixed. But if you wait, then slowly but surely, you will see the resolution of 2 different layers that are immiscible. You can't, they don't mix. Resolution, the act of changing a note from an unpleasant sound to a harmonious sound. Okay, so the tension is released by the resolution from the dominant chord to the tonic. But let's see, that one's quite unusual. Okay, the act of solving a problem. I'm hoping for a swift resolution to this crisis. The process of finding out the direction and strength of a vector. That's physics. A formal statement or an opinion. So let's vote on this resolution. You promised yourself something. I made a New Year resolution to lose 100 kilos. Okay, a resolution, a formal statement on which people in an organisation vote to approve a resolution. The shareholders approved the resolution for a £200 per share dividend. A draft resolution. the process of solving something. There was a successful resolution to the problem, a peaceful resolution, a swift resolution, an early resolution. If your monitor supports a higher screen resolution, then I suggest you use it. So, yeah, resolution is about resolving things, a personal promise. It's my New Year's resolution to go to the gym more often. The technical specification of how well you can see the clarity of detail. This monitor has an excellent resolution. The printer offers excellent resolution for detailed prints. A resolution, a solution to a problem or a dispute. We are hoping for a peaceful resolution. A formal legal or political decision. The United Nations passed a resolution. The shareholders were asked to approve a resolution. And then a personal quality, your resolution, being resolute and firm. He showed great resolution facing the robbers. His resolution never faltered during the crisis. Okay, so resolution, a formal decision. When somebody solves a problem, a promise you make to yourself, strong belief and determination, and a clear picture, something that has high detail. So I made a New Year resolution. The United Nations passed a resolution. Her resolution to quit smoking lasted 24 hours. The court reached a resolution. He made a firm resolution to finish the book soon. How soon? The resolution of the conflict was achieved through negotiation. Okay, so resolution from resolve. Middle English 1412. Resolution, dissolution. From Anglo-Norman, from Latin, resolutio, resolvo, to loosen, re solvo, to loosen again. So, resolution, formality, 5 informality, use anywhere. Maybe at 5.5, but still use anywhere. Frequency, it's definitely a high frequency word. So, resolution. Bye for now.